Hey there! Did you know that dehydration, even in mild forms, can negatively affect your hormone system and your balance? Today we're going to talk about water and three main reasons why you should drink more water for your hormonal harmony journey. Reason number one is because water helps manage your cortisol levels. Now, cortisol is your stress hormone. Whenever you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which is in essence your flight or fight hormone. It makes you alert, it makes you think fast, it makes you know that you're in danger. And so over time, if your cortisol levels remain high, your body can get fatigued from just being in this constant state of fear and danger and anxiety. Your body is over 70% water. And so can you imagine just how important water is for the daily functioning of your body? Water is so crucial because we're losing water every single minute of the day. As I'm talking, I'm losing water through the vapor in my breath. As you're breathing through your nose, you're losing water. Through your skin, you're losing water. And so it's very easy to get dehydrated if you're not constantly adding water back into your system. So being dehydrated can put your body in stress mode, which will then increase your cortisol hormones. When you increase your body's cortisol hormones, you throw off your testosterone and your progesterone as well. And your progesterone is your happy hormone. So you want more of that and less of your cortisol. The second reason you want to drink more water as a daily habit is because when your body is well hydrated, your other hormones such as estrogen and testosterone, which are your relational hormones that need to be kept in a tender balance, rely on the well functioning of your adrenal glands and your body as a whole. Now, when your body is well hydrated, your systems are better able to produce enough of those hormones at their optimal levels. The third reason that you would like to drink more water for your hormonal harmony is because it supports your thyroid function. Once again, because your thyroid releases some of your body's hormones, you want your thyroid to have the proper environment to be able to work and release those hormones that help with your metabolism, that help with your energy, that help you just feel better, and also help with your body's temperature regulation. Why wouldn't you want to drink more water? Now that we've talked about some of the more technical things, water is also going to help you with your energy levels overall. When your body is dehydrated, you just feel sluggish. Your brain can feel foggy, you can get headaches, and you just feel tired and fatigued. Your skin can feel really dry and can lack its luster and its shine. When your body is dehydrated, your muscles, your ligaments, they can feel tight, and you can even have aches and pains from dehydration. When you drink more water, it helps your body flush out a lot of the toxins, a lot of the buildup that is just going to be in your body as a result of your daily bodily functions. And when your body is cleaner, you feel more balanced, you feel better, you feel more alert, you feel more clarity. And all those excess hormones that are swirling around in your blood are able to be flushed out. So drinking more water can also help you cleanse and detoxify your body. Just take a little more water. How can you start? I'll give you some action tips. How about you replace one of your other beverages, whether it's coffee, sodas, juice, whatever it is you're drinking, replace one of those glasses with a glass of fresh water. You can add a little bit of lemon to it. You can add a little bit of salt to it, either Celtic salt or Himalayan salt. That'll really help your body absorb that water and put it in all the right places. If you would like me to talk about that in another video, I will be glad to do so. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, please do consider subscribing and or liking the video so that others may be reached by it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.